भाई बैकवर्ड में रहना, बैकवर्ड पॉइंट। रोहित भाई, रोहित भाई, only for this batsman, other batsmen come back to regular position.
1 over 2 runs, guys. Attack on the ball.
Well, Anil bhai.
Anyone's going to talk? Commentary? Mic is here.
Sure.
That's it.
Please just announce the score.
Huh? Yeah. You just told me the sound. The camera guys are all medicine. They're practicing.
Oh, Amin. इसका घर से ये बात right here.
You should have, yeah. There are 3 people there. I don't know why 3 people. Maybe they're just.
You spoke to me?
I spoke to my guy there. One of my guys are there.
Good one, Anil.
Well ball, good bye. Sorry. Bowling, Arif.
Okay, guys. Now time to catch. Ready, catch. आराम से आरिफ सोच के walk with the bowler, everyone walk with the bowler. Good ball.
Good ball, Arif bhai.
Score 5. Score 5. 2 over 5 for no loss.
There is a bike.
I mean, my sound is anyway. It can reach.
Check. Score 5 runs without loss after 2 overs.
Make use of the sound.
Hard luck set. Just it is bouncing little high more. There you go. Out, ठीक है. Let umpire check. Good catch, Abbas. Beautiful.
Like that's why. Yeah, you did the right thing.
That's the positive thing. Let umpire validate it. Good one, guys. Good one. 9 more good balls. 9 more good balls. Good one, set.
6 for 1. 6 runs for 1 wicket.
Get him out in first ball.
Oh, is that main guy?
No, he was saying that. Tapas.
Or you know, that guy. Big hitter.
Bigger hitter, yeah.
Yeah, there is.
You were practicing, you were waiting.
Yeah, there's a 527.
Oh, wow.
Wow. No, but that way, they finished 3,000 runs. We have the box at 2,000 plus runs.
Oh, no. I thought that this is
Not this.
It was total, okay.
okay. Total. Okay. I'm like our guys are
Good one, set.
Yes, bhai, ready, yeah?
Oh! Beauty, beauty. Sit. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Finish strong.
Three over, 6 for 1 wicket.
Good bowling, Sid. Good bowling.
Oh, wow. He is free. वो आ जाएगी चलना पड़ेगा
Well done, Tapas.
किया तो चालू this is only for one. No, this is like a
You just have to put from this button.
Hello, hello.
yeah, only this. Brother, ये सब ground पे है।
They're only ground. Yeah, there is no camera. They were supposed to have one camera guy here. They all decided to go there.
Oh, okay. Is it running now?
No, this is their camera.
Oh, yeah.
The way he wants to ball. Shahid bhai, Shahid bhai.
I don't know whether like get 3 or
Yeah, this one will
pitch it up.
That's a beautiful ball, Arif bhai.
Arif, pitch it up.
Good bowling, Arif bhai. ये line है, offside की line है. Come on.
Yeah, that's a good shot. That's a beautiful fielding and excellent throw by Anil.
Bye.
That's a good overall cricketing.
Arif bhai, wicket time आ गया, wicket निकाल दो. Come on. Run for two. Bowler.
साले पकड़ आया कर रहे हैं तो किसको
cheerleading this team.
जनरली दोनों प्रोडक्ट day you don't care, right?
That day you don't care. Like, no, this is our chance. Like, so whatever we want to say, like, we
Yeah,
have
you
to
can
say.
just,
Just
yeah.
say.
I don't
Because
know.
when they are
I don't know what is called their cricketing mode also. Right? If this is only for ground, then there is no point. चलो अपन ठीक है आपने मोटिवेट कर दिया मुझे.
Let's do that. Like, Rohit is coming in. I'm just going into
You can have one out. Extra covers, पीछे रख लो. 45, at least 45. हाँ.
It's 18 runs at the loss of 1 wicket after 4 overs.
You got it already. Okay, it takes like
There's a bowling change. Rohit, left arm slow,
like so straight away it goes ball by ball.
and now the field has spread.
Yeah, it's very good.
That's a beautiful, accurate beginning by Rohit. That's a good shot though. Straight to the fielder for a single.
Good one, Anil bhai.
Ball by ball.
Suresh typing is there.
Yes, no, it's select only. Not
Select,
typing.
typing.
Just like put that like each ball after that like put that and then just like touch.
It's like a ESPN, this cricket.
Yes.
That's a beautiful piece of keeping. And that's something we call as entirely the bowler's trap in which the batsman fall in. Wicketkeeper Sayyed really did a very quick hand like Dhoni, and batsman had no clue where he's standing. And yes, it was all planned. Rohit put the ball on the leg side while the batsman was charging him, and the keeper did the perfect job of getting the bells off in time. So we are standing at the score of 19 at the loss of 2 after 4.3. So how do you see, guys? How do you see this game going so far? We are at a very first initial spell of it. How do you see it going, Mukul bhai?
It's a good start for both teams. We got a couple of wickets from 22-yard point of view, so that's a good start for them.
So looks like game is equally poised for both teams. The 22 yards being in first playoff took first wicket, and the second wicket coming in this over. It looks like a strong start for them. And similarly, for Touch Boys, they hit couple of good boundaries, got to a good start with the runs. So it looks like equally poised.
Stumping.
Stumping. It's a stumping. No, it's a stumping.
Yeah, it's a white ball stumping.
It's a white ball stumping.
Okay. No, I was thinking it's not
he
behind.
didn't give the wicket.
Again, the beautiful line by Rohit.
Bowling.
Many might have not seen this bowler, but we know him from years, and he is very accurate. Well played by the batsman for a single. And again, as you expect from Rohit, rightly placed into the right area.
I think it's getting
Yeah, I think they're right in front of them.
They,
Yeah, kind of size.
oh my God, that That was kind of plumb, but yeah, you know NJSBCL, this is where the batsman can take the leverage of walking across the stump and hit the bowler on the leg side. That's what exactly happened.
21, 5 for
We are at the score of 21 at the loss of 2 at the end of 5th over.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
21 for 2.
The ball nearby get that.
And you can see a different kind of charisma going on in the 22 yard just because Mr. Niaz Khan is getting into the bowling attack.
Neon is coming goal. 6-4.
So Niaz is a very experienced candidate, and at the same time, the touch boys are not going to take it very easy. So it's going to be a good contest, guys. Hang on and keep enjoying the good cricket around.
For him, just move straight. Just keep marking.
There is no leg hit, so.
But for his spin,
No,
it's difficult to hit straight.
no leg.
Yeah, if you don't have a third umpire, you have no TV replay. You can't do that.
There's no TV reply now. It's too much. Controversial.
That's a beautiful shot by the batsman, rightly using the pace of the bowler and punching the ball through the off for a single.
इधर भाई, आपको चले जाओ. Empire का other side. पीछे. Yep.
That's another lovely shot in the off for a single. The good thing about the bowler at this stage is he's putting the ball in the off, and that's very important for this particular league because you cannot put it on the body. Oh, now that was a magic ball. Batsman had no clue about it. And that was nicely rolled fingers on top of the ball for a beautiful leg cutter.
Great bowling, Niaz भाई. कैच जाने वाली है, पाजी. कैच जा रही है.
And then you see the variation here.
Good change, Niaz भाई.
Bowler is catching the batsman right across the crease, keeping the ball up.
Great bowling, fun.
Wow, that's a beautiful shot, but equally beautiful fielding by Anil. At least saving 2 runs for his team. That's a brave effort. And rightly, Abbas Bhai is appreciating that act in the fielding. That's what you need for your bowler when he is really charging up. You need the support from fielders, and that's what 22 yards is doing right now. और एक अच्छी ball right on top of the batsman. Safely negotiated, and it's the end of the over.
25 for 2. 25.
6 overs, 25.
25 runs, 2 wickets at the end of 6th over.
Elbow nearby.
Beautiful spell, beautiful over by Niaz, and now there's a good partnership going on in the bowling right now between Niaz and Rohit. Rohit has
That's only a one.
given only 3 runs in his first over, took 1 wicket, and is coming for the second one.
बाहर आ जाओ, मुकुल भाई रेडी. मुकुल आ जाएगा. मुकुल भाई.
There's a change into the fielding. There's a substitute going in for. So Mukul is replacing the fielder. spotted by the batsman on the leg side, but again, there's a good fielder, Abbas, and rest assured for the umpires, Abbas is someone who is going to tell you the result right before you need to check it. Nice ball.
well done, DP.
Shabash, Rohit. Lovely, Rohit.
Good line, offside line, rotate हो रहे हैं, wicket आ रही है.
King still now.
Come on.
It's going on.
Yes, sir. He has started 22 yards for fielding.
Bowling, yaar.
That's a smart bowling by Rohit. Way outside of the off.
It is 22 runs in 6.2 overs. And 22 yards for fielding. Yeah, they are fielding fast.
Beautiful bowling again.
Touch boys.
Mukul did his best to reach the ball, but it was at the pace, so they got a single. They managed to get the single. It's not going to hurt 22 yards. But looks like Touch Boys are setting up the game here. There was a good intent by the batsman to move across the stumps and hit the ball on the leg, but then you have an experienced candidate like Rohit and they were able to get just a single. So it's
28.
loss of 2 wickets at the score of 28 at the end of 7th over. And Niaz is coming back for his second over. और आगे की कमेंट्री होगी हिंदी में. DJ rocks, guys. DJ rocks. Niaz bhai is starting the bowling from pavilion end. काफी अच्छी fielding setup है. Touch Boys are also looking to accelerate at this stage. Technically the last over before the strategic timeout. And ये बहुत ही बढ़िया बॉल थी. बैट्समैन स्टंप के अक्रॉस वॉक करते हुए. बहुत ही बढ़िया बॉल. वॉशिंगटन से फोन आ रहा है. ये बॉलर का नाम क्या है बताओ जरा. There you go. बहुत ही अच्छा शॉट. But it has gone to the bucket. I don't call him by name.
Finish it strong now. Finish it strong. Come on. Same bowling. अरे bowling.
बहुत ही प्यारा शॉट. But okay. So we got a new name for Abbas bhai called as AB. बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल बॉलिंग. मुकुल भाई आज जंप मारने के मूड में नहीं लग रहे. बहुत लंबा और फ्यूचर का सोचते हैं मुकुल भाई. बहुत ही प्यारी बॉलिंग. बहुत ही सबसे तेज फील्डर के पास बॉल जाती हुई. or
Session, boys. Good session, boys.
it's again a beautiful session. Batsmen touch boys are at the score of 31 at the loss of 2 wickets. 8 ओवर की समाप्ति पे
8 overs and 32 runs.
32 runs. Sorry, 31 runs. My mistake. Sare Gabru Jawan coming back to the pavilion.
अब अगले मैच में कमेंट्री
पीछे पड़ा मैं बोला अभी भाई इतना टाइम नहीं है आप भी लगा सकते हो ये भी तो ना करती आपका डीपी डिवीजन 1 को लाइव कवरेज दे रहे हो
हाँ वो लोग ने सब कैमरा मैन उधर भेज दिए पता नहीं वो लोग कल नेक्स्ट वीक का टेस्टिंग कर रहे हैं शायद
नहीं जंप नहीं करना जंप नहीं करना
अबिन भाई लाइव टेलीकास्ट हैंडल कर रहे हैं अभी मैं जाता हूं उनका डेडिकेशन आप लोग का सही है you guys do amazing
they were supposed to do here also but I think they are practicing for next week how to get the full coverage
setup and all.
last time
Yeah,
it was only
they are
two
putting 3 cameras now, right?
yeah earlier it was only like 2 cameras
मैं प्लेऑफ में गया था वहाँ पे रोनी था और अमिन थे हाँ पिछले बार भी बता 3 कैमरा रखा हुआ
All right, guys, we are back for the second half of this first inning. Starting with Abbas coming into the bowling. 2 batsmen are well set. They would look to accelerate this game, and all we're gonna get is lots of fun. Commentator का भी confidence बढ़ते हुए.
अरे भाई स्टार्ट लेना
What a dream beginning for Abbas. Absolutely good catching. It's a very valuable wicket. That's what they have got. And you cannot ask for more than this. Perfect शुरुआत होते हुए.
कीजिए सर।
स्कोर अपडेट नहीं हुआ.
नहीं अपडेट हुआ, बॉलर भी अपडेट नहीं हुआ। बॉलर नेम अब्बास है।
बोलो नहीं, मैं उनको बताना यार तपस भाई, स्कोर अपडेट नहीं हुआ है.
All right, we got the update on the score now.
हो गया हो गया.
Oh my God, that's a beautiful ball. There was an inside edge. A difficult chance for the keeper, but 22 yard कुछ भी कर सकती है. Almost repetition of the last ball. बहुत ही अच्छे से RFG कवर करते हुए. Only a single.
New batsman guys. थोड़ा सा आगे. 32. Don't give him single guys, come on. Take a start.
Beautiful ball and excellent fielding by the point fielder. That's the way
क्या बात है, ये आप
fielder should support their bowler.
excellent bowling offside. Keep it there, come on. Bowling.
Another beautiful ball right into the block hole. Batsman had a good intent. Straight मारना चाहते थे, but he missed the line a bit. नेक्स्ट 3 से 4 ओवर पूरी गेम का रुख बताएगी कि ये गेम कहाँ जाके एंड होगी. Just to tell you everyone, this is a beautiful cricketing conditions. Almost like the ball coming out of a machine, same length, same line. Very well bowled by Abbas. Looks into the very good rhythm. And this is the dream beginning for Abbas. एक रन आया हुआ है, एक विकेट उन्होंने ली है. It's 32 at the loss of 3 wickets at the end of 9th over. (32 at the loss of 3). और इस बार हमें मॉस्को से फोन आया हुआ है. बॉलर का नाम क्या था लास्ट ओवर का? AB डी विलियर्स. उन्होंने अभी लास्ट ओवर में लगा ही दिया है अपने पीछे.
Love you, commentator.
Thank you so much, Niaz bhai.
Love you, Hardik.
Thank you so much. मेरा नाम सही से लेने के लिए पहले तो. As you know, 22 yards is all about love. These are all respected oldies coming together, playing in this season for the first time into the unit. And look, you can see the magic they have done. All right, there's some nice innovation into the commentary box here. So I'm going to hand it over to Sashi bhai. Sashi bhai, you should be saying this. But Sashi bhai, without paying me any bucks, he just outsourced the job. So, as Sashi bhai explained, it's AZ, Abbas, Zaidi, it's A to Z in the field. Sab kar sakta hai Abbas. और ये बहुत ही तेज भागते हुए जतिंदर पाजी.
अभी शायद आ रहा है, शायद बॉलर नहीं में शायद चल सैयद निकाल.
और ये बॉलिंग चेंज में सैयद जी पे अपना पहला बॉल डालते हुए batsman managed to get a single again. Good thing is they are definitely rotating the strike, but they need big hits at this stage of the game to set up the respectable total and give something to their bowlers.
Good change, Rohit bhai.
और ये वाइड बॉल. बैट्समैन हैड अ गुड इंटेंशन, सही एरिया में मारने जा रहे थे, ही मिस्ड इट. बहुत ही प्यारा शॉट, बट इतना ही प्यारा कैच। ये 22 यार्ड्स।
Good one.
बहुत ही डिसीव करते हैं उनकी एज के नंबर से, बट बड़े ही क्विक है।
Second attempt में उठा लिया। इसके पीछे क्यों पड़ा? He's the youngest, sir.
तुमने उसे बूढ़ा बना दिया साथ में लेके।
He's the youngest in our team.
और ये लेजेंड्स में और एक लेजेंड हिमांशु भाई यहाँ पे है हमारे बीच। और ये मेरी कुकी मेरी बाजू में है। So Himanshu bhai, we would like to understand a little bit of analysis of this game from you. You are a veteran, you know cricket as good as anyone. So आपसे हमें समझना चाहिए, और आप अगर हमें बता पाए, what do you see about this game at this stage, please?
Game of cricket doesn't hold any predictions. It's always depending on the motion of the batsman, mood of the batsman, ideology of the batsman, and the bowler's mindset. So, right now, an over pitch ball on the off stump, pushed respectively to mid-off area, and back to you.
Thank you Himanshu bhai, very well said. ये एक ही तो रीजन है we all love cricket so much, because this is the game of unpredictions. You cannot really predict, anything can happen any stage, and there is always something called as probabilities. बहुत ही प्यारा shot right over the head of umpire, but as we know, this particular league, this particular ball game is all about hitting it with power and getting across those boundaries. Because good cricketing shot might give you the value of only one run if you are just keep playing straight.
Good job, sir.
This is beautiful bowling by Syed. Batsman सारी कोशिश कर रहे हैं to go across the line and hit the bowler across the stumps, but ये हो नहीं पा रहा है just because there's a good amount of accuracy into the bowling and a very perfect support by all fielders. This is what is needed to bring a good champion unit together. So we are at the score of 35 runs at the loss of 4 wickets after 10th over, which means we are yet to witness another 6 overs from 22 yards, and touch boys have their opportunity, which they have to now take their chances. Yes, that's what there is a common feeling across all the experts here. They have to take their chances and they have to elevate the score to a very respectable total so that their bowlers can really ask perfect questions to the 22-yard batsmen. And do not be mistaken, 22 yards has a very strong batting side also. Most of the games they won while chasing. Beautiful ball. And as you can see from yours, from Abbas, दूसरा हाथ, वो एक हाथ यूज करने के क्रिकेट में 1 घंटे के $100 लेते हैं, दूसरा हाथ यूज करते हैं तो $200 मांग लेते हैं. He normally catches the ball with his one hand. पता नहीं उनका दूसरा हाथ कितना बिजी होता है. अब्बास भाई हमेशा एक हाथ से कैच लेते हैं क्योंकि उनका दूसरा हाथ एक मिस्ट्री सेगमेंट में रुका हुआ रहता है.
Same bowling.
Guys, five more good balls. 5 more good balls.
5 more wickets, guys. Score कितना? 30? 35.
नहीं है यार. Good ball, Abbas.
Nicely watched. There's an batsman कुछ plan लेके आया. He has something which he's thinking of, and he's trying to execute that.
I hope he knows.
और बहुत ही प्यारी bowling. This is called as the spot improvisation. जब अब्बास ने पहले बॉल उनको ये माइंडसेट में देखा कि he wants to just defend, उन्होंने ये बॉल थोड़ी across the line निकाल दी.
अब्बास शॉर्ट हैंडल है, यही बॉल, यही बॉल.
Beautiful bowling again.
Very well bowled, Abbas.
Like reading the mind of the batsman, and that's what this is all about. Both the teams are very skilled, that's why they are playing this semi, but it's all about improvising on the spot, and that's what Abbas is doing right now. This is a beautiful shot by the batsman for the first maximum of this inning. ये एक ऐसा शॉट था जिससे सारे दर्शक काफी उत्साहित हो चुके हैं. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, बैट्समैन के पास एक प्लान है जो वो एग्जीक्यूट कर रहे हैं, एंड दिस इज अ ब्यूटीफुल एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ द प्लान. और एक बढ़िया शॉट राइट इन द ऑफ. इस बार रिजल्ट इतना एंकरेजिंग नहीं होगा बिकॉज ये लीग के सबसे नौजवान लौंडे विपिन भारद्वाज का तेज तरारा थ्रो. So at the end of the 11th over, Touch Boys are standing at 42 at the loss of 5 wickets. Beautiful batting going on right now by Vinod and Gopi, and Abbas finishes 2 overs he took 2 wickets by giving 8 runs. So that's a beautiful economical over with a rewarding outcome. विनोद के एक 6 ने 22 यार्ड्स की थिंकिंग एबिलिटी पे क्वेश्चन खड़ा कर दिया हुआ है. काफी सोच समझ के बाद उन्होंने वही काम किया जो वो पहले कर रहे थे.
मैंने पहले ही बोला ये मत करना मेरे से.
The experienced candidate Saeed Ji is back into the bowling. 3D चश्मा लगा के बैट्समैन के थ्रू स्टंप देखते हुए बॉल डालने वाले ये बॉलर. जैसे मैंने बताया, ये सीधे बैट्समैन के थ्रू स्टंप देखते हैं. वेरी राइटली.
सही है भाई, अभी पकड़.
एक चीज माननी पड़ेगी, ये गेम बड़ी ही अच्छी स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट पे खेली जा रही है. बैट्समैन अग्रीड के उन्होंने ये बॉल कट नहीं की थी, एंड दे वेंट बैक टू देयर ओरिजिनल एंड्स. बहुत ही प्यारी बॉलिंग एंड इतनी अच्छी कोशिश इन द फील्डिंग बाय विपिन भारद्वाज. और ये पहला लेफ्टी क्वेश्चन 22 यार्ड्स को पूछा जा रहा है बाय टच बॉयज विद गोपी ऑन स्ट्राइक. ही इज अ लेफ्ट हैंडेड बैट्समैन. और ऑल ऑफ सडन फील्ड में सारे एक्टिव होते हुए 11 की टीम में 12 कप्तान. Beautiful adjustment to the line by Saeed. This cannot be beautiful than this.
सही है. खिला इसको.
और ये करारा शॉट मारने की कोशिश, और जतिंदर जी नीचे होते हुए, और बॉल लैंडेड बिटवीन द 2 fielders. We must say that's a poor calling by fielders. They should have really called up if that's their catch. But that's what happens when the batsman takes his chances, because luck always favors the brave. Not NJ Braves today.
It did not favor.
बहुत ही शानदार बॉलिंग. कप्तानी की दाद देनी पड़ेगी 22 यार्ड्स की. उन्होंने जो जिस तरीके से फील्डिंग सेटअप की हुई है, क्या बात है, बहुत ही प्यारी बॉलिंग. डिपिंग डॉट्स, दैट्स व्हाट वील कॉल दिस बॉल एज, बिकॉज ये डिप भी कर रहा था और डॉट भी आया. So the competitive semi-final between Touch Boys and 22 yards is standing at the score of 44 at the loss of 5 wickets after 12 overs. With that, we are now entering to the last segment of the first inning, last 4 overs. My prediction is this ground is definitely chaseable if there is anything which is less than 80. So I am very sure Touch Boys will try to make it very respectable total so that their bowlers can really ask the right questions. Just so that we can tell you that dew factor is not going to be there in the effect in the second inning. और ये सबसे ग्राउंड में पहले आने वाले 22 यार्ड्स के प्लेयर वापस से बॉलिंग में आते हुए.
Score is at 44.
44 for 5 at the end of 12 overs. Very smart bowling by the bowler, Sidhu. What a perfect ball. Excellently played by Gopi for a nice single. There's a good sync up between the two batsmen.
साला एनजे में है ना, कोई शू कर सकता है.
That brings Vinod on strike. Against Sidhu, Vinod is going strong and steady in his inning. He has nicely placed his position for going big after the bowler. And Touch Boys will really be hoping that Vinod and Gopi really bring something big on their scorecard. This cannot be this simple. Unbelievable. From the commentary, we felt that this is a false appeal. Never felt as if this was a catch. This was truly a respect to the good bowler by a batsman. Never allowed him to move by an inch for the catch.
Good one, Sidhu.
Change of pace work. There you go. ये देखने के लिए एक जोरी की नजर चाहिए जो यहाँ पे हमारे पास हिमांशु भाई के पास है.
कल बुमराह का कैच था ना.
और इसके ऊपर 22 यार्ड्स के प्लेयर्स ये सोच रहे हैं कि हम क्यों यहाँ पे हिमांशु भाई के बाजू में खड़े रह के एनालिसिस नहीं कर पाते. सालों से हम सीख रहे हैं, पर हुआ क्या है हमें. आसमान में बादल मंडराते हुए टच बॉयज की पारी असमंज में है, और ये असमंज वर्ड इतना प्यारा है कि शायद से कोई ना समझ पाए। बहुत ही प्यारी लाइन, एक्सीलेंट फील्डिंग बाय द फील्डर, एंड देयर इज अ गुड अपील अबाउट द रन आउट, बिकॉज ये फील्डर नॉर्मली स्टंप हिट करते नहीं, अगर आज हिट किया है तो वो रन आउट लेके ही छोड़ेंगे।
अच्छा, वो भयंकर स्पेलिंग है। चलिए
મને પણ ચશ્મા છે અને મેં પેલા શું કરતા એમ કહે છે કે રજિસ્ટર સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરેલું મેં બધું આવડતું
ओ अच्छा, तब તમને
મારી પાસે સેટફોન છે
बहुत ही प्यारा शॉट, और ये वापस से दूसरा बकेट। ये नियाज और अब्बास वॉशिंगटन तक पहुंच चुके हैं, नेक्स्ट इलेक्शन में खड़े रहने वाले हैं। ये इतनी स्मार्ट बॉलिंग है, the 22 yards has got touch boys right under the grip.
Good one, Sidhu.
This is beautiful bowling by Sidhu.
Good catch, Niyaz bhai. Good judge.
यही एक रीजन है सिद्धू जैसे प्लेयर के लिए पूरी टीम आधा घंटा प्रे करती है कि ये बंदा कब उठ जाए और कब ग्राउंड में आ जाए, पर जब ये आता है तो कहर मचा देता है। कमेंटेटर की जान यहाँ मुश्किल में।
Abbas.
He's always enjoying.
जब भाईजान ये बाइक लेके वहाँ जा सकता हूँ। No, ये नहीं। उनका भी नहीं है। One sided हो रहा है। मुझे देख के मारेंगे तो नहीं।
राइट, ये कमेंटेटर कभी वॉक नहीं करता पर आज कर रहा है वो।
What is the range? It should be 150 feet. The more high you keep, you will get a better. Ready? अभी कट हो रहा है।
Bowling.
Lovely ball.
ब्यूटीफुल बॉलिंग।
कोई बात नहीं, छोड़ने दो उसको, डॉट बॉल करते अपने आप विकेट देंगे।
Bas, Arif bhai, calm down. Yeah. Big ball. It cut. Good over, Sidhu. It doesn't. It cuts. 46. 13:46. No signal. That's the range. Only till middle it will go. Come on, Rohit bhai. Hey, इसे बात कर ले यार. बात करो. 46. 13:46. Good. 7 wicket. 7 wicket, right? Come on, 18 dot balls. Come on, 18 dot balls. No, 3 good balls. 3 good balls. निकाल दे रोहित, निकाल दे। आप थोड़ा इधर ही है ना, क्या उधर ये क्लोजर है। ओके, लेट हिम एडजस्ट, विल एडजस्ट बिहाइंड हिम। डिफरेंट रोहित, डिफरेंट रोहित, दैट वाज गुड। ही वाज द कैप्टन ऑफ लगा, नो वन, वेल डन।
हेलो, या All right, guys. So we are standing here. So we have Krishna here from Touchpoint, and I would really like to understand their viewpoint about this game, this analysis of the inning so far, from Touchpoint's perspective.
Hello guys, you're having I think you're having a great day here at the park. Talking about Touch Boys, they're not doing very well with the batting today.
Good backup, Vipin bhai.
All of, if you want me to speak about the Touch Boys, their strong point is the bowling. We have a flash in our team, Mr. Gopi. He bowls 150 miles. That's what we think. Meanwhile, it was a good shot by the captain Jay on the leg side for 4 runs. Touch Boys trying to accelerate now. Press the gas. And good bowling and fielding by 22 yards to control Touch Boys and keep them under pressure in the first innings here. Very well bowled by the bowler, Rohit Tandon, right at the stumps in the crease. The batsman couldn't connect it. Looks like the last ball of the over. Cut and batsman trying to get a quick single and they were not able to do it. End of the over.
So Krishna, I would like to ask you a few questions, and I would appreciate if you can give a little background about Touch Boys, how you guys came together, played so well, and from how many years you have been playing under this particular Touch Boys name. How you have what are your best performances so far in the tournament, if you can recollect, and tell us a little more about it.
I would say all the matches we won are the best performances. At Touch Boys, this is the first year playing in the NJSBCL. Our captain Jay did a good job by holding all the players in the line, managing them. I think we have only 2 or 3 players who have played in this league before. Everybody else are really fresh.
14 over.
We're happy to be at the semi-finals. I think it's very good and excellent on a team which is the first time and to get into the semi-finals.
Absolutely, Krishna. This is very commendable that on your very first year, you have been able to come so far, and your journey is not over yet. It's never gonna be. This is going to be a very thrilling game. Meanwhile, Abbas coming into the bowling attack. That's a beautiful bowling and good attempt by the team. So Krishna, for that matter, I would like to give you a little background about 22 yards. These guys are all, they came together after playing years of cricket in NJSBCL. Beautiful shot. Excellent attempt by the fielder, but nothing was stoppable on this. Captain is playing captain's inning here. That's a beautiful 6, and that's what exactly Touch Boys is looking to get in this depth overs. So coming back to our point, Krishna, very much congratulations to your team for making so far, and I'm pretty sure we are going to see a lot more from even in this season.
Yes, so thank you so much. We always think it is not over until it is over, and we work with that. We think we'll do better in the bowling. Our bowling department.
Come on, wicket time, Abbas bhai.
Emmys. Thank you so much, Krishna.
Ball hai.
Spot improvement by Abbas. Beautiful bowling. And there is a trap. And then there is one more bucket. Colin Vipin Bhardwaj.
Good ball, Abbas.
अब्बास की ये सालों पुरानी स्टोरी, कभी धूप कभी छाव। जब उन्होंने एक सिक्स खाई तो वो एक विकेट लेते ही लेते हैं। All eyes are on captain of Touch Boys because this is going to be a defining moment for Touch Boys, which the captain can bring on the field.
Full ball, full ball.
7 more balls to go.
Finish strong. Abbas, finish strong.
The beautiful admin unit back into the... Oh my God! And that's back-to-back wicket, and this is the big one. This is going to be one of the most memorable spell Abbas ever bowled. This is amazing. Abbas is standing on the hat trick, knocking the door of best bowler of the century. वापस से सारे 22 यार्ड्स के बैट्समैन और प्लेयर्स के बीच में जान फूंकते हुए अब्बास जी, जतिंदर पाजी जो अभी तक बहुत शांत थे, अब कूद कूद के पूछ रहे हैं स्कोर क्या हुआ। Last over, last wicket, 61. They would look to score 70. That's what their mindset should be. And we have got a veteran bowler, Sidhu, bowling his last over. Nicely spreaded fielding on the outfield. Mukul को वापस से बिठाते हुए
Come on, sit.
बहुत ही बढ़िया बॉल फॉर अ सिंगल। काफी बार ऐसा होता है कि इवन द लास्ट बैट्समैन को आगे मौके नहीं मिलते। यू नेवर नो व्हेन दे कैन सरप्राइज यू एंड दिस इज अ परफेक्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर देम। Beautiful ball straight to Jatinder Paji, and that's a beautiful fielding, and that's the run out, and that's the end of this particular first inning of Touch Boys. Beautiful, beautiful work. 62 all out. I never thought that it's going to be an all out game because till the end of 8 it was not lots of wickets they lost, but then here we are. Beautiful job by 22 yards.